So it was like sleeping in one world, and when I woke up in the morning, it was a completely different world for me. Oh my god! Sush! You have to see this! Sush! Sush! Oh! It's covered with snow! So, guys, believe me, you aren't prepared to see this. And so aren't we. We need to wear more clothes because it's getting so cold and the view is so good. This is like a winter wonderland. This is so dreamy. Okay, बहुत suspense में रख लिया. अब आपको दिखाते हैं ज़रा view. But before we head out, our day starts with a glass of गर्म पानी and some chyawanprash. जैसे हमने the other side of Manali देखा था, वैसे हम the other side of 2020 देख रहे हैं. The other colors of 2020. Idea नहीं था 2020 का end इतना मैजिकल और ड्रीमी होगा. Okay, I know you're not interested in watching this at all, and I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. दिखाते हैं अब आपको व्यू.
The snow is falling, there's magic all around. The streets aglow on a winter night. The road is calling us back to our hometown, where hearts are warmed by the firelight. We're coming home. The fire's burning, nowhere else we'll go tonight. We're coming home.
Welcome to daily vlog 10. I can't believe that we are done with 10 daily videos. Also, what I can't believe is how beautiful this valley looks. So रात भर स्नोफॉल हुई है एंड दिस इज़ द व्यू वी वोक अप टू. ऑफ कोर्स आज के कुछ प्लान्स भी थे कुछ ट्रैक पे जाने के, बट वी आर कैंसलिंग ऑल ऑफ देम एंड वी कांट कंप्लेन. वी आर नॉट कंप्लेनिंग. आई थिंक आज वी आर गोइंग टू स्टे इनसाइड स्टक्ड इन एंड experience this, also edit one video, and I'm just so happy right now. I had never witnessed a snowfall in my life, and I'm fumbling. Hello भैया, good morning. कैसे लग रही है snowfall?
बहुत ही बिल्कुल अच्छी.
We're coming home. The fire's burning, nowhere else we'll go tonight. We're coming home. The bells are ringing, all the families home tonight.
I can truly not express how this feels. And पूरा पीछे अच्छे से स्नो में कवर हो चुके हैं सारे पीक्स. दिस इज़ लाइक द फर्स्ट snowfall in Manali of the season, and we are really lucky that we could witness this. So वहाँ है स्नो कैप माउंटेन्स. यहाँ मैं शुरू करने वाली हूँ आज की वीडियो की एडिटिंग. ऑनेस्टली आज काम करने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है और लंच टाइम भी हो गया है.
The fire's burning, nowhere else we'll go tonight. We're coming home.
काफ़ी ठंड हो रही है एंड आई स्पेंड द इंटायर आफ्टरनून सिटिंग हियर इन द लिविंग एरिया एडिटिंग माई वीडियो, एंड हियर आई मेट दिव्या.
Hi.
she's been staying here for 2 days now.
Yeah, it's been
And
2 days.
September say she told me that she comes here every weekend. And how did you feel today after looking at all this snow?
Okay, so you know what? So all my friends they keep on saying that कि you are from Kullu, so तेरे लिए तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा normal होगा. But it's been almost 15 years now since I left Kullu, and this for me was equally surprising as it was for all of you guys. And if I have to just sum it up in one line, I'm sleeping in one world, and when I woke up in the morning, it was a completely different world for me.
There's Coco.
Oh yeah,
Coco
is having the time of his life.
Right, and Coco is their dog, and he's extremely cute, and he's I think very happy here in the mountains. He's also witnessing some snow. Coco, Coco, come.
Coming home. The bells are ringing, all the families home tonight.
And of course, we cannot end the video without a vlogging tip. So today's vlogging tip is that consistency is good, but never overdo it. And on that note, I'm going to end my daily vlog series over here. मेरा plan हमेशा से 10 videos बनाने का था, and I'm quite proud I was able to pull it off even while traveling. And content creation में कभी-कभी होता है कि you go with the flow and आप इतने बह जाते हो कि you want to just consistently do stuff, but ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि reach a creative burnout वाला point. And to avoid that, especially on this trip, I'm going to take a break of like 1 day or 2 days and then continue making videos. कैसे videos? I'm not sure. कहाँ से? Again, I'm not sure, but इतनी सुंदर जगह है, मोटिवेशन नेचुरली आ रही है, क्वाइट लिटरली नेचुरली. सो कुछ ना कुछ तो बन ही जाएगा. एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू एंड माई लेम जोक्स हियर एज वेल विद द डेली व्लॉग्स, बट डू लेट मी नो हाउ यू लाइक देम एंड डू लेट मी नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज यू वुड लाइक टू वॉच फ्रॉम हियर. एंड आई विल सी यू इन अनदर वीडियो इन अ फ्यू डेज. बाय. Oh, and did I say please like, share, subscribe to my channel? This is so dreamy. Okay, I think काफी.
Let me dream then.
Wow. बिरयानी को मसाला बनाते हो. बस हो गया यार. हो गया. Okay, so I think आज के तो सारे plans cancel.
बस बहाना चाहिए प्लान कैंसिल करने का.
बस बहाना चाहिए हमें अंदर रहने का यहाँ पे.
रात की बिरयानी बची होगी.
Seriously.